Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is a true titan of our time. From his humble beginnings in the wrestling ring to becoming one of the highest-paid actors in Hollywood, his journey is nothing short of inspiring. But Johnson's success goes far beyond the bright lights of entertainment. He's a savvy businessman who has leveraged his star power to build a diverse empire. Do you know what recognition The Rock achieved that even legends like De Niro and Al Pacino couldn't? Stick around, and I'll reveal this surprising fact later in the video. You're going to be shocked. In this deep dive, we'll uncover the secrets behind The Rock's staggering net worth, exploring the various income streams that have transformed him into a global icon. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the fascinating details of how this charismatic superstar turned everything he touched into pure gold. Strap in, because you're about to witness the financial odyssey of a true legend. The early years and WWE career. Dwayne Johnson was born on May 2, 1972, in Hayward, California, into a family with a rich wrestling heritage. His father, Rocky Johnson, was a professional wrestler, and his maternal grandfather, Peter Maivia, was also a wrestling star. Despite his family's wrestling background, Johnson initially pursued a career in football. He played for the University of Miami and won a national championship with the team in 1991. However, after a series of injuries derailed his football career, Johnson turned to wrestling, a decision that would change his life forever. In 1996, Dwayne Johnson made his debut in WWE under the ring name Rocky Maivia, a tribute to both his father and grandfather. Though his early career in wrestling was met with mixed reactions, it wasn't long before he rebranded himself as The Rock, a charismatic, larger-than-life character who quickly became one of the most beloved and successful wrestlers in WWE history. With his signature catchphrases, electrifying performances, and undeniable charisma, The Rock became a household name. His popularity skyrocketed, and he became one of the top draws for WWE, helping the company achieve new heights in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Transition to Hollywood and blockbuster success. As The Rock's wrestling career soared, Hollywood took notice. In 2001, Dwayne Johnson made his film debut in The Mummy Returns, where he played the Scorpion King. His performance was well received, leading to a spin-off movie, The Scorpion King, in 2002. This marked the beginning of Johnson's successful transition from wrestling to acting. The Rock's Hollywood career took off rapidly, and he quickly became one of the most bankable stars in the industry. He starred in a series of blockbuster films, including the Fast and Furious franchise, where he played the role of Luke Hobbs. His involvement in the franchise was a game-changer, contributing significantly to its global success. Other notable films include Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, San Andreas, Rampage, and Moana, where he voiced the character Maui. Dwayne Johnson's ability to connect with audiences, combined with his work ethic and charisma, made him one of the highest-paid actors in Hollywood. According to Forbes, he earned a staggering $87.5 million in 2020 alone, thanks to his roles in movies, his production company, and various endorsements. Endorsements, brand collaborations, and social media influence. The Rock's meteoric rise to superstardom has allowed him to parlay his immense popularity into a goldmine of lucrative endorsement deals and brand partnerships. His collaboration with Under Armour to create the Project Rock line of athletic apparel and accessories has been an unmitigated smash hit, with products flying off the shelves as soon as they're released. This symbiotic relationship has not only boosted Under Armour's profile, but has also substantially padded The Rock's already substantial net worth. And it's not just Under Armour. Johnson has lent his name and star power to a veritable who's who of global brands, from Apple and Ford to Pepsi, raking in millions in the process. However, perhaps The Rock's most powerful asset is his unparalleled social media presence, with over 350 million devoted followers across platforms. His every post is an event, commanding the attention of legions of fans and giving him unmatched leverage in negotiating those lucrative endorsement deals. The Rock truly is the master of turning his boundless charisma into bottom-line success. Real estate investments and luxurious properties. Dwayne Johnson's success in wrestling, Hollywood, and endorsements has allowed him to invest in some of the most luxurious properties around the world. His real estate portfolio is impressive, featuring multi-million-dollar mansions, sprawling estates, and even a private island. One of The Rock's most notable properties is his mansion in Beverly Hills, California. Purchased for a reported $27.8 million, this Mediterranean-style estate sits on 3.67 acres and offers a level of privacy and luxury befitting a superstar of his caliber. The property includes a large swimming pool, a tennis court, a state-of-the-art gym, and even a private movie theater. In addition to his Beverly Hills home, Johnson owns a stunning farm in Powder Springs, Georgia, which he purchased for $9.5 million. The 46-acre property features a main house with French provincial architecture, several guest houses, a private lake, and ample green space. Johnson has shared glimpses of his farm on social media, showing his love for nature and the tranquility the property offers. The Rock also owns a sprawling estate in Southwest Ranches, Florida, which he bought for $3.4 million. This 13,000-square-foot home is located in a gated community and includes 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a swimming pool, and a massive backyard. Business ventures and entrepreneurial success. Dwayne Johnson is not just an entertainer, he's also a savvy businessman with a diverse portfolio of investments and ventures. One of his most successful business endeavors is Teremana Tequila, a premium tequila brand he co-founded in 2020. Teremana has quickly become one of the fastest-growing tequila brands in the world, with sales exceeding expectations and contributing significantly to Johnson's net worth. In addition to Teremana Tequila, Johnson's production company, 7 Bucks Productions, has been instrumental in his Hollywood success. The company not only produces films and TV shows, but also manages Johnson's various media ventures. Some of the notable productions from 7 Bucks include Ballers, an HBO series in which Johnson starred, and Young Rock, a sitcom based on his life. Johnson is also involved in the fitness industry, another passion of his. In 2019, he launched Athleticon, a mega event focused on health, fitness, and wellness. The event, which includes competitions, workshops, and keynote speeches, aims to inspire people to live healthier lives. Moreover, Johnson has diversified his business interests by investing in various tech startups and companies. He has invested in the likes of Voss Water, a luxury bottled water brand, and Salt and Straw, an artisanal ice cream company. Recognition and earnings in film industry. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Johnson made history with his role in The Scorpion King, winning an incredible $5.5 million, the highest salary ever paid to a Hollywood newcomer. Neither Robert De Niro nor Al Pacino managed to achieve such recognition early in their careers. This marked the beginning of Johnson's successful transition from wrestling to acting. Johnson's earnings from his various films have been remarkable, with many of the films he has starred in or produced earning significant box office returns. His involvement in franchises like Fast and Furious and Jumanji has only solidified his position as one of Hollywood's top earners. The Rock has not only been recognized for his acting, but also for his ability to generate massive revenue for the films he's been a part of. Philanthropy and giving back. Despite his immense wealth, Dwayne Johnson is known for his generosity and commitment to giving back. He established the Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation in 2006, a charity that focuses on helping at-risk and terminally ill children. The foundation provides programs and initiatives designed to empower young people, giving them the tools they need to succeed. In addition to his own foundation, Johnson is involved in numerous charitable endeavors. He regularly donates to causes he cares about, such as disaster relief efforts, children's hospitals, and veterans organizations. For instance, after the devastation caused by Hurricane Harvey in 2017, Johnson donated $25,000 to the Red Cross and encouraged others to contribute as well. Johnson's philanthropy extends to his fans as well. He's known for surprising fans with random acts of kindness, whether it's gifting a truck to a Navy veteran or sending personalized video messages to people in need of encouragement. These gestures have endeared him to millions of people around the world, further enhancing his image as a down-to-earth and compassionate individual. The future. What's next for The Rock? With a career that spans decades and a net worth estimated to be in the hundreds of millions, Dwayne Johnson shows no signs of slowing down. He continues to expand his empire, taking on new projects and exploring new opportunities. One of the most anticipated projects on the horizon is Johnson's foray into politics. Although he hasn't confirmed any specific plans, The Rock has hinted at the possibility of running for public office in the future. Given his popularity and influence, a political career could be a natural next step for someone of his caliber. In addition to potential political ambitions, Johnson is also set to star in several upcoming blockbuster films, including Black Adam, a superhero movie that has generated significant buzz. With his production company involved in the project, Johnson is not only the star but also a key player behind the scenes. Furthermore, Johnson continues to grow his business ventures, particularly in the health and wellness industry. With Athleticon set to become a major event and Terramana Tequila expanding its reach globally, The Rock's entrepreneurial spirit shows no signs of waning. As we've seen, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is much more than just a wrestler or actor. He's a true entrepreneur, philanthropist, and global icon. His journey from the wrestling ring to the big screen and beyond is a testament to his hard work, determination, and ability to seize every opportunity that comes his way. The Rock's story is far from over, and as he continues to evolve and take on new challenges, one thing is certain: he will continue to inspire millions of people around the world with his incredible success and unyielding spirit. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come for The Rock. One thing is certain: his influence and legacy will endure for generations to come.
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.